I'm going to film with telephoto on to show just really what this is like. This is a blizzard of blizzards. It's still the 6th of January 2010, and look at it. I think with telephoto or zoom it's a bit easier to see what it's like. It's incredible. And yes, we've had thick snow before, but my goodness, it looks like it's never going to stop. Ugh. Trouble with telephoto is moving around. Here we go. Right, that's the other side of the road, isn't it? No, that's our gate. It shut itself. But the blizzard, it's quite incredible. If I move back, you really need to see it across the green. Look at that. Well, not across the green, but look at it. It's absolutely awful. I honestly don't know how anybody's going to get there next week. It will take us hours. I mean, probably never get there. Hours and hours and hours. I was expecting 4 hours as it is. Now I really don't know. I'm going to come zooming back now so we can get it in perspective. There we go. But it's, again, at normal, it doesn't really show it. It really doesn't. They're such big flakes. Look at it. Whoops, not trying to go into someone's home there. We see out the side window what we've got. Very steamed up window. Perhaps we can see better. Oops. That's real zoom. Oh, it's come down. Such a steamed up window. It doesn't show the enormity of it. Of course, it's very pretty. But you just can't see it like that. Okay, I think that better be it, I suppose. It's probably going to get worse before it gets better. Oh, quite amazing. Incredibly amazing. Doing it with zoom on. You done all that?
Yeah.
Right, I think we stop there.